My liggaam, my body. We are going to learn all about your body. What do we call the body parts in Afrikaans? Let's have some fun. Our Afrikaans lesson is about my body, my liggaam. Before we start with our lesson, I want you to watch the YouTube video about my liggaam to build up some vocabulary. As you watch the video, point on your body to the body part and name it in Afrikaans. After that, listen to the story, net soos ek. I want you to listen to it twice. The first time, just listen to it. The second time, try to do the actions along. Listen carefully, because you will have to retell the story in the end. You might even want to listen to it a third time. Then, use the pictures given on this page and retell the story in Afrikaans. I would like you to label the body parts on this picture using the words given in the word block. Let's look at those words. The first one is foot, and that is your foot. Next, kop, that is your head. Hand, that is your hand. Been is your leg. And arm is your arm. Now use these words to label the picture. We are going to look at Afrikaans sounds. I'm giving you pictures. I'm going to give you the word, and I want you to write the letter that the word starts with. All of these are words that you've learned about. It's the body parts van my liggaam. So let's look if you know what letter it starts with. The first one is kop. What letter does kop begin with? Remember, in Afrikaans we never use a C. So what letter do we start with when we say kop? The next one is been. What letter does been begin with? Write that letter in. Foot. In Afrikaans there's two sounds. It's got a f. Which one do we use for foot? And then the last one is hand. What letter does hand begin with? Then you will see some sounds and words. To listen to the pronunciation of these, follow the link and go to the YouTube channel and you will find it there. When you are watching the sound video, I would like you to repeat the sounds and the words after me. For the reading part of our lesson, I'm going to read you the sentences and then ask you some questions about the reading. Let's start. Ek maak kos. Ek maak pap. Die pap is in die pot. Die kat sit op die kus. Die kus is in die son. Kom hier kat, hier is jou pap. Now for the questions. Watter kos maak sy? Sy maak? Waar is die pap? Die pap is in die. Wat sit op die kus? Die sit op die kus. Well done. Now I would like you to choose any one of these sentences that's in the reading piece. I want you to copy it on the lines below, and then I want you to illustrate it. So draw your own picture that shows the meaning of this sentence. Now, all our Afrikaans high-frequency words this week has the double O in it. The double O in Afrikaans makes the sound O. Repeat it after me. O. I'm going to read the words. I would like you to repeat after me. Ook. Oom. Loop. Voor. Oor. Now I would like you to trace these words. As you are writing them, say the word. In the writing lesson, I'm giving you pictures as clues in the first two sentences, and at the bottom I'm giving you the English word, and I would like you to write the Afrikaans word in the space to complete the sentences. Let's have a look. Dit is my. What is that in Afrikaans? The next one says, ek vryf die se. Look at your pictures and write in the Afrikaans words for those pictures. The next one, ek verf my voet. What is that in Afrikaans? Blue. What is that in Afrikaans? The last sentence, my carpet, write the Afrikaans for carpet, is yellow. What is yellow in Afrikaans?